Many employees encounter distress in their jobs, from dealing with challenging bosses to experiencing trauma as part of their work. As most employees are often poorly equipped to handle the negative emotions that come with workplace distress, what can organizations do to help their workers? By conducting a qualitative study in intensive care units and several experiments with online gig workers, researchers found that well-timed expressions of gratitude encourage employees to persevere through times of strain, challenge, and negative emotion, helping to further the goals of the organization and its members. Expressing gratitude in advance of challenges can motivate employees to go above and beyond and perform their work beyond their normal capacities. For example, if a surgeon thanks a nurse for his or her efforts before going into a long and challenging operation, it may make the nurse more persistent during the procedure. Expressing gratitude in advance of difficulties also increases resilience by making people feel valuable and increasing their feelings of social worth after encountering setbacks. Instead of focusing on the effects of gratitude expressed after an event occurred, new research suggests that the timing of the expressions of gratitude is more important than previously thought. As it turns out, sincere thanks in advance expressions are more powerful at helping employees regulate their emotions than expressing gratitude after the fact. Wonder how gratitude and the timing of gratitude expressions help to regulate emotions at work? If so, you may want to read this paper.